I hope you are doing very well and delighted. I'm also happy to see you all of guys. Here seems to be full house. Superb. Excellent. Alright, now need to focus on our today's topic. Today's topic is benefits of studying abroad. It's mean what are the benefits of studying abroad if we study over there. Do you want to study abroad? I think if you get opportunity, you will pursue your higher study abroad, and if you get the chance, you will make your position taking advantage by studying abroad. No problem. If you want to study abroad, but you have to focus on your time. Do you get something better? You have to spend more and more. You have to focus. Am I clear? No problem. Keep quiet and listen me what I am talking in front of you. Be careful. End of the class, it will be effective for you if you be serious. No problem. Number one, if you study abroad, first and foremost, you see the world. And how? The biggest reason you should consider a study abroad program is the opportunity to see the world. By studying abroad, you will experience a brand new country with incredible new outlooks, customs, and activities, etc. The benefits of studying abroad include the opportunity to see new trends, naturals, wonders, museums, and landmarks of your host nation. In addition, when you are abroad, you will not be limited to traveling in just the nation in which you are studying. You can see neighboring countries as well. For example, if you study in France, you will have the option to travel through various parts of Europe, including London, Barcelona, and Rome, etc. It is clear? No problem. Keep listening. Second option is which one? Education. And how? If you study abroad, there are a bunch of facilities awaiting for you, but you have to take advantage. If you are good in study, you will get the scholarship to study, to complete your study. No problem. Number two, education. Another reason you might consider studying abroad is for the chance to experience different style of educations. By enrolling in a study abroad program, you will have the chance to see a side of your major that you may not have been exposed to it your home, but you will find that completely immersing yourself in the education system of your host country is a great way to really experience and understand the people. but you have to study seriously. Otherwise, you will not get your future goal. Am I right? Obviously. Its tradition and its culture, education is the centerpiece of any study abroad trip. It is, after all, a study abroad program, and choosing the right university is very important to gain your goal. In this way, you can realize the method of education system. You can compare between your country and abroad. What is the difference between study? No problem. The number 3, take a new culture. If you study abroad, take a new culture. How? Listen. Many students who choose to study abroad are leaving their home for the first time. When they arrive in their new host country, they are fascinated by the distinct cultural perspective. Obviously, when you study abroad, you will find incredible new foods, customs, traditions, and a special atmosphere for everyone. You will also find that you have a better understanding and appreciations for the nation's people and history. You will find the opportunity to witness a completely new way of life. I hope it is clear. If you take the opportunity, you can see the world. You can see the world. Education, facilities, new culture. All right. Number 4, what will be waiting for you? Number 4, career opportunity. Career opportunity. When you finish your study program and return home, you will return with a new perspective, culture, language skill, a great education. Needless to say, all of these are very attractive to future employers. Many students find that they love their host country so much that they decide to seek work there. If you can relate, you will find a local education will be very valuable when searching for a potential job in that country. Obviously, that country will get the better job. The problem, the number 5, if you study abroad, you can make lifelong friends, because by studying you can make different type of friends, those who come from the different background. Because one of the biggest benefit of studying abroad is the opportunity to meet new lifelong friends from different background. While studying abroad, you will attend the university, live with students from host country. This gives you have the opportunity to really get to know and create long-term relationship with your fellow students. After the study abroad program ends, make an effort stay in contact with your International friends, in addition to rewarding personal relationship, these friends can also be important networking tools later down the road. Now you can decide, do you want to study abroad, and can you build your career after studying over there, or will you come back in your country to do something in your country's people? But you will decide after studying which one is best for you. First you have to achieve your degree, achieve your experience, then you try to utilize where should be perfect to stay. If you think your home country, your motherland, will be suitable to do something for your country's people, you will come back with degree after completing your study. And I know lots of opportunities will be waiting everywhere, but once you have the experience, once you have knowledge, once you have the knowledgeable, so world will be waiting for you. You don't waste your time to search a job, but job will find for you. First you have to the right person, all rounder, because you know that this platform, international career, is so competitive. All right, now I hope you got what I have told you. Now this is time to, I'm going to ask you some questions related to today's topic. Are you ready? Okay, be prepared. You will get 2 minutes, no problem. And one by one I will ask one question. First, okay, who's gonna be first? You? Okay, no problem. Question is,